Now continue.
Okay, so hello to everyone. I'm Saima Binti Sultan from Bangladesh, and I'm studying now Bangladesh University of Professionals. And today I'm presenting our some smallest portion of research, and it's very happy to see you. This is our first research, and I don't know is wrong or right, but this is our first research. And today I like to present myself and the pandemic in 2020, COVID-19 effect and effects on online business and a study of the present.
Continue.
Is it clear now?
Yeah, yeah, clear, clear. Now continue. Now continue from first onwards.
But I face several problems. Okay, so I'm Sama Binti Sultan from Bangladesh, and I'm studying in Bangladesh University of Professionals. So today I would like to present our research topic on pandemic in 2020 COVID-19 effects on online business, a study of the present condition of the online business portals. So, one minute. So first of all, everyone see me, right? Everyone is seeing me. Or
Continue, continue.
oh, thank you. First of all, we introduce our topic because we know that it's all about COVID-19 and online business portals. So COVID-19 or coronavirus is the most terrifying issues in the present world. The global economy is the threatened after the coronavirus spread in the forms of a global epidemic. A new strain of the coronavirus emerged in the Wuhan. We know that it's first of all its effect on in China in December 2019. So in Bangladesh, affect our people, or we first identify our patient on the mid March, and then we locked down. We closed our every educational institution, and then we locked down 26th March all over the country. And for this virus or for this pandemic, we actually there's lots of effect of it, and we basically our online business was tremendously, and there are huge effects on it. So then next part is literature review. So there is in this portion, I basically show the smallest portion of literature review, and then I go through it accordingly. Accordingly, global growth will starting, and basically a difference of 7 percentage point compared to the projection published before the outbreak of the crisis. While advanced economies are expected to be hit hardest by the COVID-19 crisis, two emerging regions will also suffer above average decline: developing Europe and Latin America and the Caribbean. Assuming a drop in global GDP based on the IMF estimate, the expected increase in the share of people living in extreme poverty will range from 0.8% of 1.5% percentage points. It is uh, equivalent to an increase to between 50 million to 70 million people compared with the organizational estimation from estimates for 2020, and it's according to UNIDO 2020. Next. And this is a research objective. We basically this the key purpose of our research of is about is to the decided the effect of coronavirus on the online trade in Bangladesh. Coronavirus, one of the we know dangerous known infectors, has as of now taken the lives of numerous in nearly half of the nations. So we basically decided to count or that effect of coronavirus on trade of our online business portal. So next, research methodology. Sample size, we basically send our message into 100 online business portal, but the respondent response rate is very low. So it's 40 respond on our message, and this is the also the limitations of our research. And we basically spread our message or questionnaire survey uh, on Dhaka, basically Dhaka, but when we there was no there was not enough responded, then we spread it all over the Bangladesh, but it's very disappointing. And we only gather 14 responded. And the data collection method is also secondary, primary data collection and the secondary data collection method, or uh, and then data analysis. First of all, this from this graph we gather that we know that protection measures taken by the online business shop. From this graph, we know that we knew that the 71% of the online business portal, um, the online business portal protection measure taken their protection measures, and 29% is didn't taken their protection measures. Next. Then from this table number 1, this shows the safety measures equipments used by the sample, and we uh, say that 10 samples. That means out of 14, 10 online business portal take their safety measure, but uh, rest of the portion, like 4 online portals, didn't taken their safety measure equipments, and 10 they use mask, hand gloves, hand sanitizer, and PPE. The part or the portion of PPE is very low, and the mask maximum use mask and hand sanitizer because it's available, but it's very disappointing that PPE is not available in our country. So then sorry, previous slide, previous slide, yes, thank you. It's yes, this is problem facing during delivery period. If this online business portal or online business shoppers face many problems like staff problems, transportation problems, and also staff problems and transportation problems. Next. Then a staff salary problem, because online business portal are affected very affected. So they are like the staff they cutting their staff salary, and the the amount of uh, workers and their full salary is 9, and then out of 14, and they cutting their percentage of the salary, and this like 3, and then a half salary is 2. That means out of 43 workers, basically in 14 online business portal, there are 53 workers working to this online business. So out of 43, 38, only 38 will get or they got full salary. That means 72%, or and around 30%, or the rest of the people didn't get their full salary. Like a half salary people was 15%, and the cut of the percentage is 13%. So it's,
Ma'am, can you
it's
conclude?
huge loss.
Can
Yes,
you conclude? Conclude.
yes, I can't. May I continue or
Conclude, ma'am. Give conclusion.
conclude? Okay, okay, okay. Next, conclusion slide. Okay, there in this research we actually basically face many limitations. So from this research, we see that maximum online business portal has had or face a transportation problem and also staff problem, because the staffs are not interested to work because this pandemic, and we know that uh, from our country perspective, we can't supply enough PPE or enough hand gloves, and the socioeconomic condition is also the fact, because the socioeconomic condition is not so good, or we are not that we know where we are not gaining that position. So those are the effects of the online business, and they are basically some online business face huge losses, and very small portion of the online business are um, uh, they are gain money uh, because uh, because the upper class of our country, the um, upper class family or upper class people of our country, basically shopping by these online portals, and so that's it. Thank you to everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Ma'am, I have a small question. Like you are saying that e-commerce are facing problem with most of the e-commerce are facing problem with transportation, right?
1 minute. I I can't
Okay.
listen.
Like you say that most of the e-commerce are facing trouble with transportation, right? Ma'am,
Yes,
as
yes.
per your point of view, if there are overcome from those kind of issues, how they can work from those kind of issues like transportation problems?
Yes, transportation problem.
If they want to overcome from those kind of issues, how they can overcome from it?
They basically, the workers or the bus driver or transportation drivers can't want to work, can't want to go outside, but by taking safety measure like hand gloves, hand sanitizer, and mask, very small or very little portion of the people will go. They just want to or interested to go outside.
Well, okay, ma'am. Thank you for your presentation. Kindly unmute your audio and video, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yogesh, Yogesh, kindly unmute your audio and video.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Yogesh. Kindly unmute your
Yes,
audio and video.
yes, I done it.
Yeah, I think in your PPT it maybe shows some kind of issues. Can I share the screenshot to
Sir,
you?
sir, I had arranged here on computer. I want to give presentation based upon my slides.
Okay, well, you,
Hello.
yeah. Do one thing, you can give orally. Well,
No, no. Okay. Start presentation.
okay, well,
Hello.
yeah, Yogesh. One second. You can give your presentation. You can continue right now.
Wait. Okay. May I continue presentation?
Yeah, Yogesh, continue.
Okay. Hi, it is great to see you all here. My name is Yogesh Vishwanath Chavan, and in this video, we will see a new theory developed by myself based upon standard model of particle physics.
Well, continue.
Today's standard model describes the three fundamental forces at atomic and subatomic level, mainly chromodynamic strong force, electromagnetic force, and third is weak nuclear force, along with massive Higgs boson particle called as God particle, which is able to give mass to leptons and quarks. Slides are viewable, no?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, Yogesh,
Uh,
continue.
okay. Could this okay. Continue. Could this theory prove to be last and thereby final truth? There are lot of important questions not answered by this theory, like matter antimatter asymmetry, nature of particles related to gravitating matter, uh, gravitating dark matter, and repulsive dark energy, union of gravity force with above three forces, origin of three generations of fermions, etc. In this theory, an attempt is made to find solution to these problems. Theory starts with three postulates based upon current experimental limits on size of fundamental particles up to 10 raised to minus 19 meter. Hence, an empirical formula is derived. H equal to Planck's constant equal to K into C into Q. This formula tells us that for minimum size of basic particle equal to value of charge Q, and for limit on maximum speed of particle, that is speed of light, it gives limit on maximum mass of particle, that is value of K, in the current experimental range of tera-evolt. Third postulate. When I attempted to draw one-dimensional line in real space, when thickness of line adds at least one more dimension, thus falsifying the definition of one-dimensional line, and line with zero thickness doesn't exist in real space. While in case of imaginary space, one can't measure thickness in terms of scale like centimeter or meter. And as you know, to draw any line, you require some entity, that is amount of matter or mass. Then this mass should embed on imaginary line itself. Thus, mass is equivalent to straight imaginary line. This one-dimensional line segment with direction at one end defines intrinsic angular momentum of that particle called as half spin fermion, while particle with curved unidirectional line has spin equal to 1 called as bosons. Thus bosons are massless particles because mass means straight imaginary line. With this presentation, massless property of boson gets directly linked with its spin equal to 1 property, which is already proved in QED theory. Unfolding of universe started from bottom fold, then top fold, and step by step middle, upper, and lower folds between them. Thus, here all particles are required and they are definitely ordered by God to create the universe in beautiful and elegant way. Let us see each fold and particles within them. Bottom fold. It contains two parts. RS side part includes particles related to atomic nucleus like quarks, gluons, and new tricolor triaxis massive spin zero boson particle. This bottom fold divides vertically into two subfolds, plus two-thirds charge particle quarks and minus one-third charge quarks. Mass of hadrons like proton is due to this new triaxis massive particle, which will solve Yang-Mills gap problem. These hadrons always remain in pair inside atomic nucleus as experimentally observed. This theory shows that four types of pair of neutrino and antineutrinos which are yet to be discovered. On LH side part, dark energy was connected with all three antiquarks in initial stage of the universe. Tremendous pressure exerted by four types of neutrino caused internal rotation of antiquarks along with dark energy converting antiquarks into quarks. Converting antiquarks into quarks so that total charge before and after conversion always remain equal to 0. Thus, antimatter converts into matter during initial phase itself. Hence, no matter antimatter asymmetry is required here. Also, on LH side, you can see dark matter surrounded by spin 2 graviton. This separation explains why there is no dark matter in theory of standard model of particle physics. This dark matter as single entity likes like web of spider spreads throughout universe and gives continuity nature to time, that is direction to time from past to future, as required in Einstein's general theory of relativity. Now
Yogesh, can you
top fold.
conclude? Can you conclude, please?
No, I will conclude within 2 minutes. Okay. Actually, within this presentation, I am concluding that experimental what experimental evidences are required. Okay. Now top fold. From bottom fold creates top fold through creation of Higgs boson particle by internal rotation of one of the massive arm of triaxis particle. Higgs field, that is dark energy, also vertically transferred into top fold. Middle fold. It consists of three lower and two upper fold. Each subfold of lower middle fold includes massive leptons, mainly tau, muon, and electron, with their respective massive right-handed antineutrinos and electromagnetic force carrying particle, that is photon. Mass of lepton are fixed here due to fixed length of each lower subfold, while upper two subfold contains three left-handed neutrinos and two types of dark energy with different constant energy density, which with their vertical shift between these two subfolds, change in type of neutrinos occur called as neutrino oscillations. Dark energy with different constant energy density solves coincidence problem of cosmology. If it becomes possible to harness this pure form of dark energy, that is anti-gravity force, miraculous change in aviation field is expected. As proved earlier, massive electron is straight imaginary line, that is it carries only rest energy, while curved massless photon carries only kinetic energy and provides velocity to electron. Also, it is seen that photon carries wave particle duality and not electron. Electron exhibit this property due to attachment of photon with it. Please like and share this YouTube video so that through its unification with standard model of particle physics, new era of science will begin for better future of humankind. Thank you. My
Thank you.
presentation is over.
Thank you, Yogesh. Thank you. Thank you so much. Well, kindly unmute your audio and video.
Oh,
John Major, can you on your audio and video, please? John Major. One second. Yeah, your visible is not showing here. Yeah, okay, continue.
Yeah. Good morning, sir, and all. Myself is John Vijay. I currently pursuing my study in Masters in Quality Administration from NCSM Nagam. I presenting my topic regarding in the hospitality of the hotel booking with the help of word of mouth. My topic is impact of word of mouth on online hotel booking in pension and ways to improve customer feedback collection process. Yeah, my objective is to study the impact of consumer generated online feedback on booking intention. Uh, Second one is exploring the impact of the word mouth on hotel performance basis, and third one is identify new ways to improve the feedback collection process. A scope and actually why I choose the topic and it was the purpose. So scope is to better understand the range factors we have that potential whether perspective within the social influence whose purpose is on with the online and its purpose to analyze with the impact of how many reviews and feedback by the customer. So a study about to discuss with the online booking data. Uh, First of all, starting with the its introduction in nowadays uh, technology has so much changed. In now scenario COVID-19, there is the hotel premises. Lots of robots technically will serve with the to the guest in the bedroom, as well as the proper checkout by the automation system, so that all the technically evolving day by day resolution will change. Next, and there are some I select the six attributes, which is the online reviews to taken into the consideration by the customer. First of all, useful of online review. Second one, reviewer of expertise. Timeline of online review, volume of online review, balance of the online review, and comprehensiveness of the online review. Second, my next one is literature review. Yeah, literature review, which is the under I studied regarding reference with the 10 basically these format of research paper I go through with all the paper, and I select the total data and segregate with the proper naming methodology how they use, and also they what the problem findings in their research. So these are the 10 papers which I go through for second research. Yeah, another is so my research methodology is first of all purpose of the study to analyze the impact which is my topic, and location I just surrounding the Delhi NCR and timeline, which is basically last month I did propose this research, and sample size which is 100, and basically I primary data is utilized with the questionnaire and observation method to collect the total information, and the method is data qualitative and quantitative analysis. Uh, Research methodology, I already collect the term flows in the surrounding, as well as my contacts in the hotels so I sending the questionnaire and to fill the total question regarding which I make in questionnaire. Next, research framework, we all also know. First of all, we identify the problem and then collect the regarding the solution of the collecting data, and then researcher review, then formulation of the questionnaire, and then analyze the data and finding which is the conclusion of that problem. These are the some high data analysis collected by the through the Google form, which I mentioned in the video. My question regarding age group and gender basis frequency, how they utilize, and they checking hotel checking rates day by day, and it is their usefulness, and review expertise by the feedback. Next, and then timelines, positive review and also negative review, which is I from scientists in the another is the popularity, how much they popular by the online system, and giving review. So feedback is more important to any who changes their confirmation. Next, now my conclusion, which is it is the founding with the relation between all six attributes which I mentioned already. First slide, and then also online purchase intention, which is the mentally to more addictive with the on website, as well as the basically all they follow online marketing. So they just booking their comfortable zone, and then they go there to save their time as well as money. And my recommendation is it is the most effort could be utilized in their hotels, and lots of technique in these daily life. So all the daily daily basis customers, they utilize their time, as well as the more automated system. They and also lots of websites they can visit and booking their hotels, like TripAdvisor and more. Um, and also you have some automation, because the in the revolution changes, so that we should also change according to the situation, so that it's more beneficial for our life as well, more
Well,
happy.
thank you, John Major. I think your presentation is all related about hotel
Yeah,
bookings, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
What is meant by e-worm? You mentioned the
E-worm means,
word.
yeah, yeah. E-worm means which is the word of mouth, which is conventional method. So I utilize in these with the electronic help. So
It's like
like,
mouth-to-mouth communication, right?
mouth to mouth communication, as well as also they have some electronic media. They convey their message through the electric channels, like webmail and also telephonic conversation. So that conversation between the two variables with the same platform with using of the electronic e-gadget. So
Uh,
basically, is the new revolution for our region.
well. Okay, well, thank you. Can you unmute your audio and video?
Yes.
Thank you for the participation. John Major, Yogesh, and Samia Binte Sultan. Thank you for your participation. Here, I will announce the feedback of each and every participant at the end of the mega session. I clearly mentioned what I want to say and what we are giving to you all guys. And one more thing, there will be a good platformic offer which we want to give to you all guys. So kindly use that platform for future research sustainability. Thank you for your participation, and the best paper kind of thing and the publication kind of thing, all kinds of information we will announce at the mega event. So kindly we participate in that event. Thank you. I will soon intimate to you about that event in our WhatsApp group. So thank you for your all participation, and thank you for your support. Thank you.